How to create a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a league on Fantasy Premier League. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up Premier League, and once you've done that you can just go to the Fantasy tab. So from here you can scroll down and then you're going to have an option to configure leagues. Tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you are able to create or join a league. So tap on this button where it says create a league. Now you're going to have to choose the type, whether it's going to be a classic scoring or create a head-to-head league. So I'm just going to create a classic league. Enter the name of the league here. So I'll just enter the name. Select when the game starts. So I'll just start it at game week 1 and then tap on create. Once that is done, your league will be now created. Now, if you want to invite more players, go to the settings of the league. You'll have this invite code. You can just tap on invite players, copy auto join link, and then you can paste the link wherever you want. So let me just go to my WhatsApp, and then I'm gonna go to this page on the group. I'll just send the link, and they should be able to join the link and join the league as well. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.